Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to How To Actually. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Reels on Instagram. Now, this is a very quick and easy tutorial. Go ahead and open your Facebook. And from here, we're going to click these three lines here. And here at the side, you should be able to see here your Reels. If you don't see it, you can just go ahead and click see more and then see it here below. So once you've seen your Reels, go ahead and open that one. And then we're going to click this one here. Now here, if you're going to go ahead and open the camera here, you should be able to start recording for your reel. So you can just go ahead and click the record button here, and then you should be able to create your own reel. If you're done, you can just go ahead and tap that once again, and then you should be able to have it here. Now you have different options here at the side. You can also edit your reel by clicking this one here. So you can go ahead and add, reshoot, change speed, crop, and all the other options here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click done. And then if we're going to click next, this one here, this is what we are going to see. You can just go ahead and try to describe your reel here. You can definitely do that one. And then you can also check here who can see this reel. So would it be public, friends, except for someone, and so on and so forth. Another thing is the Instagram. You can also post this on your Instagram. You can just go ahead and configure the settings here. Another thing is you can tag people or add topics. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and click share now, and you should be able to post this one. And that's how you're going to do it, everybody. I hope this video helps.